order for a church out of forum na Unyankopon Ishramu. This is Evangelist Paul. We are speaking live from Ghana, specifically Bronga Half. Africa and Unyankopon said the audio druid ubit media cha. Now do a muti channels in Moshe near my cousin Yamia Semonam so come. Rather won't come on Ishramu. You go so the empire dimoti. So whatever be the case, Radu be trap. Into slow, Radin Kamunamo. Bye bye.
You don't go for it, I was saying. What are going to see a subi? Now, for who do you know so or chat to a may be? I would rather say, the only affair that drew I am conda sucra. You didn't so bet me the and when you count the Roddy as a Sydney Padoma, I have 2 more was a sim a few way up. I wasn't. Therefore, did you get home, sir? Why you really paying them was a sim? What you be? Some do our job on trust and fancy. Because I check almost a call. I don't know one was from a same number, but many people and was it. So the politician was a bravo born in one of the Kosovo. Young man, monobra, no put Yabons and Jam. What did I say? Someone and some point should jib Tom. The family who couldn't bank on him. Not tire from the ever. Not the amount for me, Kafaya only ever. Sunday bay and the public fassacra, and only young. Radimo Bow, who will be a catcher of a said in Humanity. So now these are new law. Now the brother yard the antique yana 1% above 4 o'clock, 1% of the sound. Acquire 5 o'clock one day. What the brother yard there? Brother Swan, whom I brought him. To the straw brother young so ye. Ya you knew that could have been, you knew that you could have been. My young assassin patria. Let's have pepper in my soon toy. Yellow do me any more boom. Since you Chema, your young son, I can't tell you on the one yet. So, when the more be uncomfortable, some Jim, now on any part of bread. Once you shall some of the terrible some Germany pa, and I'm on something above 1, or would take you also. What's such a jadiam no? Also by we as so what be any pan tom. I was saying minister the only bro some by yard also be true so clear. Now one true when say am wo ko say jenu bi. One to this abenaja anakosuaja anakwamenti eja wo say bonsam dia. Dia dia anya bia no fam maye. To me be sure what the Dawra boy the only one batable some pia. Yet you all call me only gentlemen, the shroud, we are not even yai. The one could put gentlemen, you said you didn't eat home. One don't cram as I say, oh, your merriment wouldn't be all. We hear so good the empty. Nobody money or one thing of the 2 sound and young hobby. Rather, Miss Row, or be our chairman. Manin, your member, we back. Would Jimmy. Would not mean a crown. Many pass so much. Rather, but I was with him so at him. Or yes, to demon tea. Amen. Lucas and Petitu. And then the caution, the order of the day. Rather the May Juma, rather the May Juma, rather the May Juma, rather the May Juma. I national anthem. I know be a to be that will be a no. Oh, Macoba Scrabba, rather the May Juma, may a song for her, rather the May Juma. Oh, me quite sorry, rather the May Juma. The children of sorry, my board guy, yeah. Oh, you're crom for the air. Children may rather. Yeah, Jumoyas of Juma, yeah. I am fair no court. I am fair no court have you. Oh, yeah, Jumana, they about course about you. Your name may be a Yem fire on to so. Na me adwuma ye good so we. Banya no na di nipa ko heaven. Yesu ma me kan kira say wo no asore so. From hanyina wo na wasore you have a largest church. The best me ko heaven. Onye bidda. Wasore so nse ne bronsam. Ye kan so kese an kese ta ne bi kai e wo heaven. Because in crofo do so pa o wi no fo wo mu am to nyuma no. Or Rastafarians for Mamma cigarette, ni no man Saturn Mano, or Yaman for home go on him, and no Mississippi, Tonto Mano, what is a one to four, or ball before, or presidency for whom, such I will be everyone actually. And this all I can't sort of catch him, yet the coin will be out, because Satan will be number one in heaven. So for now down, when in the hall, you are something. You are something, you perceive Casatro, second. Why no mistake in life? You are never look at some party. When you tell me do so, Luke chapter 10, verse 17. Jesus so much for. I'm called by lovely two man. So the Negana, Bruchimem, Yamid de Maye, Yamid de Maye, a yawa there. Yamid de Duya Duma, a year. Now, never could free the way, Antonia Ma. You comfort them what? And you read for the do you give my purchase a ton for Debbie. So Yamina do you the hour there, you're good. Mons say, oh, look at some petit who do so. Now you assume you don't know. And the nature about the cancer. I will do didn't our money for Abra on what's your mind. Julio. What would report on the Brayation? I would dead. The tremble is for what theatre. Whom we are almost a little. But before we are no done it, that's way. I got the abroso abron to me yet. When you the abroso, Satan went to me yet. To win, they did go for your 1 year. Cabon some should be post me. Codoswell the Canadian, I will use your name. The best 20 this war was an answer. Mamma told me, oh, yeah, but it's for woman. Fine. Say yes, you did now, so I connected the Nibia. So I was looking to 2 by you. And no problem, them honey here. Or say here. Now so, ye mulia. Mamma money, sir. A home, a brew horse, a mammo. What you to me to be phobia to me, oh, yeah. There were a war body, wouldn't power, here become one tomb or Nababa Wako. A brother so you didn't answer what to me. Now, quite yet wrong. Now, they won't put it with the tinkoya. What am I insuring a bosom? So now they did the Takas as a way. A branch here. What am I bosom? Now the pesca. Football coach. You saw quite in row. Now they are fan Jesse Mudiama, who football as a boy. Almost a go no one yes, he canoa. I dare we a palm, so bad I didn't feel so. And the other uncle Jessica do the problem. What does American? What could you talk about confirm Preco dia hill woman? Did you come the panel dia hem coffee no bon coffee agum? Or pescao? Jabia can you? Near the other batum. Make him a bob on so has somebody. Now we are there, be very wise. Okay. Namia Saba Yakasa! Yakasa! Mimuna Saba Yakanaba Bunchre Nipa. I was studio. Yes, a nipa pa bi wa so. Ya mu di tia sam, na nye dwaman sam, mo di tie. Na so wa so di tie nyam sam, asabe wa sakra. On san sam be be hwie bu hayi, e ko nyina so. Abrante na so tempa. Wa sene na kuma so ya bon sam dia, le jana mu no beko. Na menim de opesa oye. On san sam be be nyina ya kasa o. Afa krono, ni seyibu. No musa to for tie nse obetima jai odum se o tie di sa fa ko ruade do obi aka tua bebere me wi ama ahoro me nsa firo moja aho ba wie ya na me ganya me asese yankopon na mamfo bi so aboa me ama beta studio ha o cha se ma aka nya ka sawie kum frama mo a ma wi madwuma ba wo me nsa firo bi amoja aho because one day o moja be gu fom Acha sama kana so. Obeda ne mo adako. Kanka control ni pedua. O ya be bi bele kafo ba bi ko. Ni pedua be ko. The santi na me wa specialize obi o. Wo se oni pedua be wu. Adam. Wo firi dotiam. Dotiam na mi go firi ya. Dotiam na abasako. Wo firi wiem dotiam. Adam onyam fenama wo dotiam. Sade ojira bia setie bia wo Adam tibiem. Asama no kan yi. So one day ubi bia beba wie ya. To ya bia fanyansa to. Na calculate o chake mesi dan we. Na toka we. Me ware ba we. Me ware ba ma we. O chake oniama wa abrabom no. Na ewuo soso. O kan nyina wia. No ba be si point akasa na we nyina mi ya na mi wu ya fa no ka ho ene be mu osuo nyansa wo wu achi ozo woni he honam ho me ba so fo so me ba sore fo so me ba dwuma ye fo nya me nya me dwuma nya me de me ye afo me ba so ya na ya me ya pa ho we wo kwa hemfo ngoma no mu a atemufo ngoma eti du nsia Samson ne mpana da nachi o twempana enso otimi ya nsankyerane Meno wo ho say nyame de me yewe ya me mu ba ko pekora wa bra bo tse nyame de me yewe nyame eye no e wa ade na nim say nyame nyagopon wo de bo nsusu ya adwuma wo be na me ka no me ka sa te ba ko so ene ma he da no pese me so many patriarchy asofo du bia bondodo akrisofo bia bondodo wo mo hunu say nyame wo mo hunu de nyame akasa pewo Ya sabri yo tesoni ka fo mu edi kan etinan chichemu mi ensa hoko wosi yeni di onyankopon pe makote wacha sabri kan Samson ne mpana da leki tebu fo mu meti dunsia chichemu ba kokosi nan kenka hobe 99.9 tiasa wotu pro eso otimi ko so Gaza gate eno titu gate Oze nyankopon ma Satan power wanye. Ode me na me tia sofo bi se nyankopon ode de tumi ma wa. Tie. Se nyankopon de tumi ma wa. God is an unlimited God. Wo ye nyame a wono no wonya aborofo. Oje ase. Wonya sakra no de tumi ni ma wa. Wo komoni mu a nyame kire ho na wo moni abefa sa tumi. Probo sa tumi ni gusu ya adwuma o. Na so nyame bi gile kire o. Ohumoni han firi ho a esumba wote ase tinyankopon tweno ka Satan ka tumi ode ma no enko beje o se nyankopon wanye enti asofo bi ye nyame atuma eso ahomomo mu yusu demonic no amu nshase kama awiye yido obada ni demons okora ni aka kiro no so se miracles awoye no eno na se wo dey justify ho se nyame ka me ho enti na me ye no a nyame odi bonsu ya adwuma bonsu enko heaven we ya ka heaven asemo ye dey nyame de wo ye wo tasema me kan ye kasa ye ka heaven kwa ye fa so ye wura ho sha wanyo we obey great mistake in life onso bro ye uzuko jina sorry ani ma na nsenteni sisi ya bro si nyame me boa ya bro si se nyankopon na de wo ye wa so ni panyi mpo wo akoma bonne wo no wa koma nye na de be ko ba buru ma kere wade je shafo no ko ya mo ye miracle so mo ba no wa de Peter no ne shafo aka bi o ba ne Yesu udinti awomone ye titu kona e bi titona bi abra mo ho asemaye Yesu se ya 2 minutes de me mo ya media na media mamo nkaza so ko gan na nyina nya media wo bi ya fu papa she wo de wonim de ekoso a so wonim de ekoso na me ya mi suma temamufo no a wo bana na mo nsori mu ba heart no wo be wura asori bi mo pie no nya bayi I'm telling you ote se ha ti da bre bi am kasa kire wa me se pa asori papa ko asori e kan kwanje sem e ka he me ho asem jamamofo bo adwama ye kasatua obi buru na yire kasatua obi ye konfo ye kasatua obi tunuru damaboso so ye kasatua nipa dinsamfo so ma ye tun sai discipline aso am obi di sika be control sare dinsamfo wo dinu ye nka ye ntimi nka waji asore na boso because o de si asore da ana so na tontini gu asore dum nti wo ye bone ya ye nka Modia mo jesika na mo mpunya mi akra nu. Nsori bi sepa. Hwe na ba heda na me dia to fom. Pese ni wodi pie. Ote. Na nipa penkyere papa. Ya dwama mo da akro no ye fanse mkura se fo preaching. Se nya dam na nipa bi bo. Ya na bebe fanse ye kabon ye nim kabon ye ozo nya na de ene mere de ye preach sa. Una ni mu preach papa de koko preach da urade be ba de hu preach e de ba mo sakara ma bi infiri Yohane suboni penso Matthew chapter 3 Yohane suboni hu Pharisee omo ba ya asofo nyame somfo ye ni mumra wudi mumra so pe Yesu akunu wudi mumra so twempa wudi mumra me kwa asore so yin se yitugu mini mumra me kwa asore so wi nsa o ye ni mumra ya kwa asore nso punko Munko he bro ma fon sori dem se statue ahudo nsisi wa ensori bi som babo sori nso bu nim o ti asema ya kan sha el kotun sori wa hodi bia o ebira bi na me kan wa ha obi di Yesu pictures nse da ho na obu nkotodwe wa animu na wo so koto wo bom pa etre tese obi a no ba acting le fam tadi aja ko mu active funsi there the sharp pictures nothing say ona ya bunko to dwe wase Elisa for ye binya nwanwa sanum ko be do na mo sibi sen dua no so no e wo numri tie bi onu ba ko ho ayi fongo manum Israel for ye bi o mo so ye dua bi si ho na o ne friend ne hu Satan na o mo ko to sore no and then sore bi ye o ye cross si dem mo me ta hu wo ko ma fo so de wo ma fo me samu hwe ye. Be very careful. Sharp. Na ya ye cross osio. Na ye butu cross na se. Ne hu Satan. Odi hu ni pamo. Ya. Se de ani asi abere no wo de ka pa be kuya me enko. Ye pa kra ko heavy o. Ye se bobo di padom na nu abu nsori. Ba be ka kire se me fi cathedral. Eso se ne koi. Na me woni padom o de ko ye. Ni pa bebrebe o hoyi say the Yesu ba wo benyo ma ko heaven Roba father won chem plan de so ye holy pastor de watade ne tien bia wo ye correct Ewurade Israel e mo so wo mpana wo kokomu wo hu kwa Ewurade do be fa so be bodabi wo mo ne nyisa wo mo ne abra mo kwase ama mo de mo ma de am mani nyi ho se mo di a kire won kwan mo so for you me sama utimi kawo me duru ba bia me kanya me sama na ma so for la so for ya de so for me ma pene ko ni ho ane ma no so me nya kwase asa ho kanya me sama me very careful papa me hwasa me so me nko bobra bone ko Yesu ma me kan kire me say wo de na kanya me sama radio no so no nti be se ne ko heaven en se fi wo de ni so kura sha abrabo kokro was a real money you say ahonhomone abra mo ho asiama mo na otutu ahonhomone na nyame de me ya adwuma was in woni nyi sha wudi atwe won kwangu mu bu sa sa hina odi wo oji di wo Ghana ho ba me asori no ya de di wa asori mu akanya nkopon de nyame wodi nim kokko wodi nim wadwa aye ho te kwaya wo ni pebia fa so adwa aye ho emma nyame ntire wodi wo de buku mu da sofo be ka so ye correct sofo betima di ho adanse so wa wuda ho sesi ya ye betima ka di ho adanse oh sister ko so timi tontom no agya na ho atofo ne ne te se bofo ne ana otimi enso ne sofo no twempra ohun wa wie ye pa shanti ade a me pese ni pa yi fi wo butrum ni sa nyame de ne ya adwuma nyame God sɛ nyame de wo yɛ adwuma sɛ ebe huna brabo konkro abrabo kokoam ne abonten wa na oni mo ho hwede wu ne bɔne ekoso wu abonten de ende nipa kan wo yɛ sɔfo wo yɛ asɔreba wo yɛ nyame dwuma yini wo de wonim sɛ abonten nipa be huna kan nti no wo yɛ sie ade nyina so bie o de ne ko asɛm nanim Lucas and Petit du etidu titemu aduom ose nanso yemu die sankyerɛ yi mu die nyame de ye nyame timi ye adwuma yi mu die bo mama ne nye ho sababa dabi Yesu anu ma Yesu na kasa mo mama ne nye asɛm yi sa honhom abrɛ wo mo ho ase ama mo na mom ne nye sɛ watwere mu din ɛwɔ nkongo ba din twere bi kɔso Yankopɔn register ne nkrɔfo enche gya beto wiase saa asɛm yɛ aka amanfo bi mfa nya adwuma menim ahobo ani pɛ yɛ ɛde atwe sɛ gya no menye gya me bra bi na me ka o enye gya ɛde toto fish asɛm ado gya no nye gya ɛde toto awurafu a nye gya ɛde si afuo bra bi aro kasa me ka asɛm bi kyerɛ mo eja bi aye to bidin obi soja no de be ka banku abia wo se koke ka banku ja ne hem obi soja no de be honam wo se nam eja na me de be honam koye ni yi saja wo idi o dia to so no eye boro nsam di o enye wa fo ho di ni bia se sai kan ya ka no wasam se wodim na ba kosem a e de hu ja nyame a prepare ma no a ka papa wo nyansa won ka nko hoda tiniye te kwa ya wodo yere fa so kokuam obi ahuru yo kwa pa wodo yere fa so kokuam me nim sabron sam je mo ho na peso kwa do no Exodus mo se ngume to so mi Wouldn't say your son, you know, by what you does a kahori. Wouldn't say you does so can be. So somebody who we are solicitor. Yes, so who see an opera in Saka. You does we are solicitor no diama over 20 years to come at the end to swap. And the year. Said your son, you know, account. Nso kokko bu anim de wo sha hoye me de nya asam na me kan o nya de nipa be na nipa we na nipa hunu na ni fine se nipa we na se bone na wudi a e no so do ko jemu hobi but this time round no a Christopher deep on this year kokko bone o firi ni ko na timu ano na be ma foforo so wa ko he be ma foforo so ko hini ban pa de ni kunu faso be mfia bienu fie miensan na ni kunu ni mu ho hwewu o de o so onya ba papa bi ti no ame na me sere se o mie wani dako be kwa ya obedi ne faso wa biaye bi ugade be ba me ya na nipa ya me mobo se sa no ngoma we ya nyame tre ne magi wo mu ati wo Old Testament Exodus o sa se tre ni krofo dia cha o mai bia no e wo ngoma ne man fo no di wo mu Ghana ha ye beto ba mu hu ebe man no e wo ngoma Yankopon e twere ne nkofo di gum tu beti ma sha ha be ho atade udi ni ngoma no mu a wo dada wo wo beti ma dress se Kristo ni wo ko school bi mu a school na wo kom e wo register ho wo beti ma fa school for school atade ni bi ase akoye school mu ho nyuma ni nyina bi apra dia wo bu school nyuma mo yeye afọ bu school atade ase edoma e wa chi ya wo mu ni school mu ho mo ye teacher for ho wo be hu ni se school aso mesi na wokọ na so a teacher for ho no de o bo hwem ngoma no mu a register no mu o bo se wudi agoro o dada ho o be ka siga bere wa bere kura anye udi ni register te dia na chance o ye student wa se ho atade o wo ye ho adwuma wo ye school ho adwuma sa school ni ye ko classroom akosua de se de asori ye ko wura so dem ya utimi wura hobby but eduru se abobo register no deeper life for one be when the trumpet of the Lord shall sound and time shall be no more for you to repent. When the morning brings eternal bright and fair, and the roar is called up yonder, I will be there. Will you be there? That's what the roar will be called up. What's so yummy? Where do you go? Yummy, come here, yummy, Reverend Minister. Na me one na me right Reverend Pastor Patron Chai. The order of the day, yami de ya juma. Me Reverend. Yeah. Bema, don't deceive yourself. Fine. So title no ana office no down so. Let's say ya brabo kontro ya do wura heaven. And now they ya juma no dia. Go 100% why are they qualify. Ye mu de mo mo ne nye. Sa sorry ne ba so o ya de o na bra boy who knows the secret see how to we kura ni de o to na chia we we didn't say be before so banten hu na calm simple we dey answers nti asama musika we be wuram any for na qualify say we try we dey say kwangu ye be come back na mo atiasi. You're very careful. Don't make mistake in life. Yes. Or Paduma Fun go bet my more and then film full nyai. I let you man. Or Penco form hotel. Why? Ya hotel brabo one some na mekam. Until I did the order of the day in the middle year Jumana, my sorry dining and miracles is Patron Chain. Yan Cambrabo Concon was. Would be Yakadi? We are so sad. We will be nyaka. The band will be at the end of Cambone from the Toho. That's what you be. And you think, sir, somewhere or Bano Jaloko, whatever for that. What do you say, righteousness? The boy. Jacob 1 Corinthians 7, verse 10 to 12. Don't tell what you do. What's a war for the more? Who go whatever, baby? Not near my BCC. I saw for more Kokogua Warium. I saw for a rabbit. So I saw for one. Bible says Matthew chapter 3, Matthew chapter 19, Matthew chapter 19 verse 3. Was it what God has put together? Or Matthew 19, 3, Hawking Kahona, Bessie said, the Oyanko for their bone. Let no man, let's offer number clerical power. Said the Obama de Berman is Samuno, and now will be Kono, and Timumian Congo Guavariano. What you make let no man. What you make go warrior? I'm much masako ye or baffle for be one day. Eddie, I'm a beman. So for we are correct today. And I won't see some power to the years soon, master. What's our soldier in a coffee baffle? So you may know. Men yajo, because who be answering a woman mine. Men yajo, but what I'm telling you is. Me pese bi you attend who say baby e ugina nanye one finance and sakra be ko gem. I'm telling you nyame one san na se bo nko ya de fofo e de nyawa diro se nyame we de minim se nye ne so do hu na mere ye nti ma menye le ya consider me jedu true as a jawa adamfo a obehu. Our God is a consuming fire. Hebrews 4:2 chemwa bionum sunye bionum ocho. Our God we are serving is a consuming fire, and the fire has no friend. Ekani adamfo se nyame so ni janu t-shirt asuse few no friend. Onim obi a oni no e de hahamono ade ye monuja kananse bravo fi we de obese. I'm telling you, don't even go country yango pose nyame na me yesofo nti consider me eja oni consideration wo na wo so janu the janu wo na wo so yo o se samo ba pens na ma wo bre ho wa bre asoja no wo ba janu sase se eswa fa wo se wura jadu na kachire janu se jadu na me so wo nti he no wan me consider me ona be hunu mistake ya why. Be very careful. That's what you to talk on you. we be kata kire Kristofo na sa Kristofo mu mpo uko petro mu benu a de se Nyankopon ebe o mo be kwa wa o ye korinse ni de o be fine wa o ye korinse ni o be fine ti asam ni yo wa o ye koronfo ye jamamoni chimpa o so be fine mo de ba sam ni de kwa yanka ha o da na boni no o bo so abanfo nim se o aye fashion ti se de o mo ye makeups no ne rinse di gugu ya honu me fansa aye fashion amen far kan ye din to aga kran chira wadi sa rinse sama berebi na ye ka chira mu no ya ne ni abreka ho asema a Kristofo agije aboso asofo bi nhunu mu no kran kan chira wo enya asode bi nchira chira o tenie ya Old Testament impo ko Exodus chapter 33 verse 1 to 6 wouldn't say ornaments ya pebro fo Bible no ene be boa ene betima kire bu yi ama wo sa de ba bia be ka kire wouldn't say ornaments ya say Israel for nti Nyankopon ka kire obi even Old Testament to say mintimi ne mo enni mu ne mo nko wouldn't say ya samni yo na se lu ka sampati dudum chemwo dudum yenu se papa bi eye Yesu na de kawa hye ne ba wo papa bi de kawa bi hye ne ba ne Yesu de ye hweso bi de akere wade bi na ne ba no ade kawa ne hye no yeso ye kohwini we prodigal son we oba disciple we oba tutu ni oye oba sansani na se oba sansani ye de kawa ne hye no a wo se ye de se oba sansani ntimi so me de hye bi we ya ba sansani we kohwini we prodigal son why do you copy blindly Uya bia fanyansa to ho hye ho abakosem na abeya bia waye papa no o ma bia Luke 15 e ho na manfo di jira de kikansam papa no o ma bia no ada ne bakan no japade ne dia o tifie ho no a wonye kohuni no ya fa ka wansem ye de ko se kohuni na manfo hye kohifo the order of the day ya ba so no Kristofo su bi akim Wabra kana 1 Timothy 2 verse 9. E ma mo mfasa de mane hye. Wase su pray. Wo de fashion copy awurade ho. Ha. We no make kan we e ta konkro ya. Ye wo konkro, ye wo mu konkro ye. Ane wa bonten konkro ye. Sa in and out yi ne Yesu be dira so bi agi ni ba ko he. Ya se mi. Ya de bi refer Abraham asuma na kwa na Genesis 24 na Abraham no na kacha papa ne se wo fa ka wanko nye Nyankopon so ne kacha Abraham se Abraham kanjira kwa ne se wo fa ka wanko na kwa na kasa de ka wanko e de akɔhye wo ba bi no na ware aba abre Abraham yes Abraham kra ye bi Abraham na suma so fa ka wanko so Genesis 24 verse 47 wo de ka wade bi hɛ ne hwirim ti ya mo fa bi mo ya wade no a mo di bi hɛ ne nsa no a mo nsa fa bi hɛ mo yiri no mo hwirim na sa wo ba wo ho ana sa wo ba wo nkyɛn ana sa wo hunu wo ba bi na ka wa hyɛ ne hwirim a sa na be sia describe sa wo ba wo nya ba ko hwini ipa bi apo papa na so fo so bire so aso so di akira ta so ri bi nkyira wo ba bro no biem quotation na me de ba biem se ni wo die no mu a ana wo de nye nyame asɔre ya the last bit me kasa na me to ade ntin 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse 9 ye to this asori mu abrabo wa ma Pentecost for din wa ma Assemblies of God for ma Deeper Life for din was asori mu abrabo ti so de na ya asori a e nyame asori de ya ho abrabo no o de aso ha asofo ha awurade be hye bi ma asori kanu de bebre nu nimo ana asori ba bia bonwa se ono so mpensia amanfo ye ntimi so me ye bi many time won papa e was arenke sam no ho ya kasa ho de opati o mpa jan e ka kronkron ya brabo ameka no because of 1 Peter chapter 3 was a sana tete no e ma kronkron fo was one link sa de to kronkron ye tete for Mary Hannah Esther Deborah o man fasa ko hwini ama na nhye wo mo 1 Peter chapter 3, Yakai verse 5 and 6. Sana kitano ngako koforo ese womo enye mess ne ringe ne sa anoke kane ni chiwie na o ma ya se o ba so becho we wo de sum nya akọ heaven me de mu watan o mi yi watan be so ani biem pesa sum ho so fa nyansa because we are bebregu. I'm telling you konko ye umuni abontre bia ne awurade be be ma we say de wo say yuti ujina so dem o have currency pa did you be training tinasa tima the center boat to two na nimu ha na ni sa o asa ne konso da ya sofo we sofo we say de wo say twauti ho awere ho twauti bi asi so papa we wo pa ha mi akọ mo nya bo say we asi and you want to appear to people like the world brother ba so na be ho we ye pa me pesa be mistake in life. You have only one life. When you die, you are going to hellfire. If you don't repent, we are doing honey palm over water. Then tell me Moses Exodus chapter 32. Exodus 32. To assembly ye power. Here, maybe water. It wasn't me new baby I will feel, but it wasn't. In person be mistake in life. Unko him and rade. Who will be a being. And go pop part the boy for different woman. We are correct and what you do. Exodus chapter 32. The verse 32. Exodus 32. Was it nothing? So what do I want to be free? Lazantesa pepamenso. Pepame enso efiri onwoma wa twere nimu e tirio wose na awurade ka kire Moses se de waya me bone no ono ana me pepa no efiri ne nwoma mu na se enwoma no na se Exodus Old Testament ya twere Moses enwoma no na enwoma we nyame enwoma nda ho fitete ehun mfumire ehun so so nwe na ache tete millions of years in the heaven. We near to Guba, Wakaza command Brabo for Sono. And I'll call the Sekai. Yet, JB down quite them, Neda. Wakaza me 2 chances of all the Sekai of Academy, Namdiato, a William Copo. Atasanas, a well radisson. In Jabrabo Menyame. They are quite fast where you would have actually be some woman. A radical so training you. I'm a American. Our money pablo was a mammy. Amai Judas or Kennedy. And so the Judas or the heifer. Yakos went for you, Matibako. And she moved to Ninosoba, who only Judas every year, maybe a copy. Don't make mistake in life. And found certain cattle and in common something watching. And then the Yamiasi, Nipa Bebrani Baum also, oh, Christum. But Bebrani Baum also no. As when you saw Ombenya Uremua, Ombenyan Papa. Now I take 2 or more Babu, and I a problem. Just off on Tilman home. What a young century now, yeah, revival, yeah, fasting, yeah, normal. But I'm telling you, Monfa holiness in count. Prayer camp. My idea, Monsisi holiness campus on count. Because prayer camp on 30 pound heaven. A holiness, the better to training. And Bible about Bonnie as Abrabonia Bekoji, telling you. Share. Ready to training, imagine. You would not tell the Abrabos on a train. Young Matthew chapter 5, verse 8. Tell the name of Munyame. Kaisa 1 Peter chapter 1, verse 14 to 16. Was a mere rabbi open in Chaban, near Kron. It's also so, your Kron. But Umunia Bonten, also be what in Bonnie womb. Oh, quite so, don't sound be what in Bonnie womb. Matthew chapter 5, verse 8. To say the penny be any penny bombs, no moon yai, Yamede me, Yamede Oya, Abrabo come. Come Abrabasmo. In century check. The Matima Bompire man is yet the compound to do. A year was it the enemy of morning? Now, dear morning, you and it's a D1 Congoman. Would you get him a chance for a power pressure? Would you feel a bosom and Tonya Maso? I could talk him. and a miracle. Would you feel for some gem and you make trouble to heaven and a miracle? Say, as someone you just get also. Now, BBC, I'm a lift you. I escape you. I'll pay you free home and walk up here heaven. I'm a young top. That is the miracle. Cry, my mention. Lucas and Paul. Lucas and Paul, Luke chapter 19. And chapter 15. Also, yes, you was it, so you papa kopa sakra, above from pimpim. Ano manije, wan pase ni papa ko kompotua, above from pimpim no manije. The central near the nije ba heaven no, enyi obi na yetwa, na foforo bi twa so asem. Moda bo hwe yo, enyi obi sie tu na me de foforo ba he ho asem. Enyi no ye obi wa chacha, na atuko ama ne tina ya flat, ne abaje so ye. Eye, but was mo wani nye ho. Kese udi won kwangu me. O pe he bia kon so di dan to nya ma so. Wonya so sa pete so ko otumu ni. So. Ba yire pa. Asofo bi po wo ma sore mbe bi ho ade. Wa sore ba wo won ho atwe mpone. Ha, e ba yire o. Na asore ba bi so so e won sofo ho ade mpone. Well, what be na you? Tell you the cover of match away. Oh, I saw from one morning, so from the camp, I did some tutor. So they tell a man for being person. Or can't quite some tutor. Where Bonnie or Becca? Okay, come on, no, you will need to separate you or Becca. What's one lesson to say that can I hold Becca? Who will jump up or near body pine. As when you say Yaman says Subanya Papa, will be a show. And the sign to him, fine. Yeah, go look chapter 17. What I had Nipa, Edu, Yamoyana Katayadi. What would you teach up to Kata? Yes, what branch? Yes. All yes, some of them quite also. Wouldn't say yes or now, as of a cron, according to only pastors. I don't know where you money. Yet evil demonic pastors, only ones. I don't know where you money. And you may be why yes, Jama suffer. What I say? It's a suffer no. What do you do any more kind of crack? Now, but I can't no kind of crack. I want to go for the boy. Wouldn't be here. What I had about a bar, yes, if I hope what I suffer. Suffer now, I hope what I know. Suffer now, and I can. Or pack up the council, that is your answer. What I say, I can answer. Would you fear for Yaka? Or put them for no Yaka? What's what you move for? Who don't Yaka? I'll call you away. And so, percentage in you. Mammy, throw a beauty cacao. I am from woman a toss of me. Never met you, who's here. I am from woman a toss of me. I'm in Shawadi. Mamma to temple, tell me a man for your car. And so still I won't passenger. But me when you have a car. And we are doing one person of family so wow. What I said, don't make mistake in life. Wouldn't Babu Ninja can be Yakada. The other day, the amount for BDF phone. I can't wait more, can there be a better? They wouldn't munti. To be a duatum to a yaka or mobile. So for what in yet, I've been born in them tea. David is a good deal, and we'll send a Kumamanka, very good team. That's me. I saw about you. One Yamenko for Yaka. Wouldn't put them for, who fear for, who fear for. Uncle now shall mention, but in us so good to be, as I will told you be. Maybe I'll pass for you. Now as I will do, if you won't tell me. When you see so. Who say yes to cast every near the man, 15. Your man Kramama. What was that Krama is repent? And that Krama best and know by you. I know your Krama when you now you deep. Why? What Munadodo? Would you ever have your combo? Say you are coming see Sumunus, I knew it why. You are going to have him anyway. A year and one mistake. 2 Kings chapter 4. Before Manu Bako. A year. Etiemu for Elisa said, Wakua, Mikuru, Awu. Now, why would you say, No, Wakua, Esrewade. Now, Okafo, Abba, Ebe fat, Memberma, Emunu, Akoyan and Kwa. And Elisa catcher and said, Ediana war, Ediana Minyama war. Chiramia. Osina, Ediana war fear. Now say, wafuna ni hwe efie je enwu yina baako pe na me wo verse 3 wose no ka se Fredi kofin fem enkuruwa wona wotete ben wo nyina nkyai enkuruwa ehunu mano noso Fredi kofin fem enkuruwa wona wotete ben wo nyina nkyai odifo bi ya miracle mami bi pe miracles on ma sori mu pensentrane Nyankopon nipa ye nsentrane de amano nyame nam no so boa no ama maame na hoto aba fa asama ile sha Nyankopon fa no so kan ne se wonni hwe ofie enwo kitwa bi na awo pri abontan wonkrofo tete bi mbe wo wadwuma yefo tete bi mbe wo wafipamfo tete bi mbe wo wabusuafo tete bi mbe wo wonkrofo tete bi mbe wo ko mo nchan ko srasre containers rubber konti chansen cap ko srasre de fabra ko femfem de hwie gum na fe kotonton fatua wo kan duane ti asam ni yo enkrofo na wo ko femfem wo mo niam ade aso wo program no wo do mo yaka wo no mistake nti miracle na nsi da wo bewu akojem na miracle na susuo ensi usuba mboni nti wo be kira sori mu from church to church amwa bragu wo be waste time because we didn't part in yet we no be anya da call Mark 11 verse 24-25 Jesus say mu gina ho bom pai na sa ho bo kai se mu wo bi tie obi a mo mfa ncharo na ma wo pai gba timaduru nyame ani wo dum so do obi aka Nyankopon afode mpo wo mpe kai Matthew chapter 5 verse 21 egosi 28 wo se wo ba afode bo chia ho na sa ho kai mpo se wo no obi ntam wa asam a wafode no jan ho example nko fi o jan afode demo jan afode bo chia mo koda ni pa kron komom example ha be ba afode ye so for de ho ba afode amanyame o so no obi ntam nya papa wo ye correct de o pa ya bia ko wo do sika ba afode o papa na mama ya wutie me so wo ni wo yiri ntam mponya sa saba me kan sa yen kwaso asaba wo da mi wi afre mi di matan sha ye ka do kwa sabu tro woni na wo he dia da chi Yesu baba be ka so se wo firi mi suko tenene na me pe ya ba yi etu maami ai tenene na me pe na me ba sa wo bre wo ho asema hukum ba for me ta dia wo ye ba Yesu Ephesians 5 verse 24 down na me sa wo bre wo ho ase so na wo je unya ko ba mes ne ba ase ye nso won ko tre ceiling so ni ba bebre gu last minute krofo a ko fin fam wo ne ma ne fa nya nsanchira ne ma won wa fi fon krofo tete be ba no mo yaka ubo hu wa wi Matthew chapter 5 Usama make ka say ko asema wo de wi afra me ka kire the number is 024 117 1896 Evangelist Paul Ewua 024 117 1896 say en kwasi asama ka kire na mi fantu me hofo mo ni nye za mo ni bra mo asama mo na wudi he fa na kire Matthew 5 sembe badabi ede ha me ne pa ko na pete se ba ne pa tena ote ye wi aso e ba be ye no papa so nyane anyo kra nkwa obe mistake one kasa be kasa what ya the four ye wi aso be no ya ko second Peter chapter 3 kada ko mes na ko so na kasa ta hoda na be ko so sisubiem many people with the magnitude of the fire ebro ka se koko asija wa so de atutu menki abi hu mo ba wate u ka je bia yeja Matthew 5 verse 8 was in Shira anyone na kumam akoma no ayaka nim obi hu ahi enim obi hu abufuo enchen obi hu adwamamo obi adwamamo enim Matthew chapter 5 verse 28 obema bi obi hu no oba na ne kon belo na kumam no o he oba to gina man so wo mo to so kere mo no ati bema hu no oba hwede obema pa agya kai Aja sema yakana ntina akono bone na yam sha wata me hezo bi takara ma to nam so yakọ bi fo bi be ma kwabra ne wo fakara man kwa ya kete na be ma kwabra ne ato ahe no so o repo no What kind of nipa de could run it? And the managing director, the time bomb, no, do Babia couldn't in the office or Parato. Cramansam Yanni Becca, will be anti count. One firm three Swamawa. Wouldn't mean your Wagima, who been to me every bit of the fish Ramanansa. Some people are having a bit of Maka. Yanni the uncle to your Zopa, Kuyamianko. The Radiasma Sam Ramakan, we are Pope Yabaka, we are President Yabaka, we are Minister Becca, say you to be a Becca, because wouldn't change me. Barbara Minchel. Who be your son of the American kind ever? Who's been country on the side and make us up? With the number of people who don't see some cost some American for the middle matter, I mean, sorry, go. The Diablo, you react there, me the Yana Castle, me the Yapa, me when the free baby never, my brother. The young woman tell me and young British. They are saying what is I didn't tell him for you to have been charming. Young Cassamresa, and so then go for the sea. Maybe I'm a cassa or maybe be a dear who no ye papa could be. The Rumi and sending you a beer swatcher or some over the wood. Your wife so Tiano Beton. Lord, dear, so the Nukumura. Or what check, or what check, Bama Cabran and Sadan and Princess in to almost. Lord, someone will say, I must send on better than Crampayente. Oh, as I am a neighbor, what Guinness, one Guinness, oh, I want some pay. Then Sahono, and the one who will love me someone why. So some of the men out you. What will you go so the I said, what the I say, a grubby, as a good yellow just like that, as a grow. Fine. Tian Sana de Paco, why? Then your Casa is a Casachan support. Your wash will tear what I did a cranko. Would you only have sworn? We shall not know on a Kumamuchi, or when they be home in Yankopon. People from Tidumi, so Muduna. On a Kumamuchi, a Gabani. Who will bar now called on Wakuma? Who will bar Ben or said I want to tell them that starvation is the cost. But don't want that impossible. As a would turn on the Sack and Ayasana or Jane the Bemba. Massa, why, dear home the Tumusa? There may be so here. One time you hear Papa Banchi, no baby as in the wilderness. And the other day, maybe so who bad matter. Now, corner sorry, some competent Bema a minute. Be over who or ban over who Bema, and the combat on the Kumu, fuck Kumuda. The depend boy Jamai or Makumu, so would the female was yes. The groups up to over 40. Was a Mundi Munini Penny and Tamasubi. When you will be a Yaka, Mundi Munini Penny na Tinipan saw your hard, saw your soft, saw your flexible, saw your commander. Mundi Munini Penny and Tamasubi. And ya hotia, ya so be quatia won't run in it. So many be a chia, Asundri, a hotia, Passundri, a hotia, Passundri, a hotia. Simple. Will you be away destructive? Uncosu commotions. Secondary school for us, court demonstration, a hunger strike. Now headmaster can't be a Kajatu. William Crasser for you. That before you now, so they would also never teach him. Teach you to face out to theatre. Call the CBA baby as a crowd, they say, very pencil. Grabby. Ya Pamna as a soya pana. I say, that's a 3 and 9 to 3. Never crowd a costume, yes. Send the body. Young boy, you come to me and son. I don't come back as a Mark chapter 7. Make us simple. You make a will be so on there. I can't born in the belly, Uncle Boy Jaman into a year body. You want it. Obviously, Jaman 7 the belly, but the Jaman mono armor. The one 7 or year, I want to be able to send a hotel. But make us and petition. What you know Mark 7, verse 21. To your 70. Marcus and petition. To what you know yes, well. Thou be ban sat for anyone or the bed Mark 7, verse 21. Was in the Nipamu. ni mu ya bonten asemo ni mu because I didn't see what ni mu ansa na bia bonten ansa na obi be fa obi bibia hwe for myself na ni bu afu ni mu ansa na action na ba bonten Jesus will deal with inside we inside no we mu no inwardly ero so na ma bebre nya ba yero obi otaye aka otafa nkrofon semboni se ni mu bia ya ba yie ni wonya edu be ko James akere wade ansa na mapo tia wo se na nipa mu wo makoma mu ana adwemmone utie adwene beba ni tirim na ya bone adwene manyi se ni ko yi atrogu wa me kokumu me de adro kogu aduanim akuno me ko to na dro me ko poison no adwemmone firi tirim makoma mu ne ba wo se adwamansam we nya adwamamo adwamansam adwama no ho nsensem nti wo atade da wo se so a na ebetima mu obi akokwa adwaman a e adwamansam no se de wasi atoto wani achi ene oba se de wusi ye wani no emma wani bi ti na Job se he I have made a covenant with my eye. So mean for me carry ababa. Ti manu wani bi yetibi wo butim to toka di kaji bi ni ade bi o mani achi lo hu ade we obesia wuro na ni no ahwe onya wo ye tutu ni bade. Wo ye tutu ni bade. Adamane de wo moyo ba e hu nsensam. Wo ye ni ema bi wutimi ko wo pane e wo to. Na wo tu hese dobri sa ana ade ko adwaman ho nsam na wo ye wo be kasa ye boni o e ye adwaman nsam efiri akoma akoma ne tenia ka be ya de papa what you say what are the wo dia sha wo no fu ntam nyina gu ho no be ma nhwe na wo hu sa wo ye sex wo ye kura sini dia ye adwaman nsam ensensam adi ni pa ade na wo ye ne didi pa bi ko adwaman ti asam ni dio wo jina dance ayi ase wo puto de wo si be manim e de wo twi be ma be manim ya jamansam wo mfa wo de na so but wa fa very wise ta go fo nyina pa ya mi akọ wo dan sakra wo jina be hu wa wi ti asam ni e jamansam ti ensensam ma ni pa bo jaman be me ko bra ne no de ta wo twa na se na ne be ma se sindi no de nam fie ti mo so sa basa so si wo ko dware na ne busu nwina wo de de nte se himu so fie o maya so ti fie o jamansam ensensam adi ni pama e mani pa dwene e kwa jamanso jamansam no bile
no so mo na o yi nyana
wo so mfa mfia ho na mani abeto so
abi so mo na o so yi
ni mani de o se ehwe emi ani o san ka foro no bile mami 2 minutes wa dan so ta president video ni ntam 2 minutes wo mu di ni nkwanwo mu wo de ya James chapter 3 verse 13 and 14 abayifo no obi otani amanfo ya akabia de mera ne wo hwe adi sabati abiu di ya American short ti wo so obi a wa hu no sai ni di ankwankwanwo mu no wa hwense ncheka ne ahoyo wo so beto atre ebere be dua nyankopon to ni oto wa gaso ade ko to buru nsam jemo wo to ato ya kasa to ade bi atena e wo so hu say useless na nanu mesra mu di mu power asaso mo ma nyankopon ko to mu buru nsam je president mesra mu di mu panifo mu di mu mo ma nyankopon ko to mu ntwe buru nsam jem o men kai ha adi se betia du no ba ko te mu adi no so Revelation 21 verse 27 Revelation 21 verse 27 was na adihunu ebia na de eye echiwade na odi atro enhyen mu kura je se wona wa twere wo muti ase ogwama no enkwanwo no hwe ma me ntwere wo di wa te sakrafa Yesu Mark chapter 7 verse 21 ho man kenkan awie wa ka to aso wo hunu nipa mu